Let's do this.
I close my eyes and colors fly. There's no hiding from your grace. I can't deny you're half of mine, and it's unrelenting chase. I was on the edge of deception, caught up in my own hesitation, until your love took over me. So I let go and I let love show me life like it's supposed to be. On a oasis, here awaits us all the freedom I'll ever need. Now I'm alive. When I let go, then I find life. When I let go, then I find life. When I let go, then I find life. The hideaway is calling me to a life unlike before. The Father's heart is beckoning, and I can't resist no more. Lead me in the ways of devotion. I don't wanna get caught in the motions. My heart is only for you, Lord. So I let go and I let love show me life like it's supposed to be. On a oasis, here awaits us all the freedom I'll ever need. Now I'm alive. When I let go, then I find life. Oh la la, oh la la. When I let go, then I find life. When I let go, then I find life. So I let go and I let love show me life like it's supposed to be. On a oasis, here awaits us all the freedom I'll ever need. Now I'm alive. When I let go, then I find life. 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 Oh la la, oh la la. When I let go, then I find life.
Let's explore the galaxy with Jesus.
Over Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me. And I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. I'm happy to be in the truth, and I will daily lift my hands, for I will always sing of when your love came down. I could sing of your love forever. 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 Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me. And I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. I'm happy to be in the truth, and I will daily lift my hands, for I will always sing of when your love came down. I could sing of your love forever. 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 Hey. I could sing of your love forever. I could sing of your love forever. I could sing of your love forever. Oh, I feel like dancing. This foolishness I know, Lord. When the world has seen light, they will dance with joy like we're dancing now. Sing of your love. Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for all. Come on, let's open up our hearts and let the healer set us free. Let's open up our hearts. Let's open up our hearts. Come on, let's open up our hearts and let's let the healer set us free. Yeah.
Sing of your love forever.
Come on and set us free, Lord.
Sing of your love
Oh, sing of your
Sing
love.
of your love forever.
Well, I could sing of your love. Well, I could sing of your love. Thank you, Lord.
Sing of your love.
I could sing of your love.
Sing of your love.
Sing.
Sing of your love forever.
Over the mountains and the sea, your river runs with love for me. And I will open up my heart and let the healer set me free. I'm happy to be in the truth, and I will daily lift my hands, for I will always sing when your love came down.
Hi Trinity Kids, I'm so excited that you're here with me making crafts. Let's get started. Today we're gonna need one sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and black, red, and gray color pencils, crayons, or markers, whatever you have. So if you have black construction paper, I would suggest using that. I didn't, so I improvised. You're gonna begin with folding this paper in half. We're just gonna use half of the paper. Then you're gonna color it black all the way. So it's gonna look like this. Then you're gonna cut it right down the middle. So now you have your piece of paper that is colored nicely black and the other side is white. We're gonna make a square piece to do our Darth Vader. Be nice with it. All right, so you're gonna cut off the excess paper right along the line. Okay, now you have this beautiful triangle. Then we're gonna fold, the flap is on the top, fold up, and fold up on the other side. Nice straight lines. Okay, we're gonna bring these flaps back down. Bring this flap down. And then we're gonna tuck our little other triangles in. And then we're gonna tuck the other one. Keep pressing down those creases so it'll be nice and neat. All right, now that we have our bookmarker or finger puppet, the fun begins. First, we're gonna use our leftover piece, cut a half a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Half a circle, we're gonna fold this in half. And then cut out little eye sockets. For Darth Vader. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna put it right at the top. You're gonna glue it down. And then, once it's glued down, we're gonna draw eyes. All right, let's move on to the next step. Our next step is to make the bottom of the mask. So we're gonna take the excess, cut out a triangle, and it's gonna go underneath our little flap. It's gonna look like that. Okay, and then you're gonna glue it in place. And once that's done, we get to draw the little details on him. Are you ready? We're gonna do a diagonal down, and then a diagonal down. So once you've glued this down and we've drawn our diagonals, we can draw a line up here. Okay, so he has his eyes. Now we're gonna draw the mouth part. I drew one line down this way and then I did a small one down here. So you can work your way up to a nice fitted triangle. Then we get to do our accessories down here. I started with lines 2 and 4, then 3 this way, or 2. That's all that fits. And then blue and red buttons. Depending on the movie, it's could be green and red. So whatever you're feeling like, you can even make them pink or green, whatever you'd like. So that's our Darth Vader. Your turn. Now that we've done our crafts, I would love to see what crafts you've done. Send them to the link below.
You must learn.
Hey guys, this is Monique, and I'm excited for our new theme. May the Lord be with you. Let's go join our friends.
Oh no!
No, it's me. It's me, Monique.
Oh, you scared us.
So how's everyone doing?
Good.
I'm excited that there's a brand new lesson. The theme of this month is May the Lord be with you. Can you guys say it with me?
May the Lord be with you.
And the main idea this month is God's force is with you. Can you say that with me? God's force is with you. So now let's talk about today's lesson. And the bottom line is, I can do all things with God's force.
Now let's all say it together. I can do all things with God's force.
So just because we can't see God does not mean He's not with us. In fact, not only is God with us, His power is with us too. When we realize how incredible He is, there is nothing that can stop us from accomplishing great things for Jesus. Okay, so now we're going to talk about our questions. Can someone read to me Philippians 4:13?
I can. I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
Good job, Nick. Are there some things that you guys feel that you can't do?
Sometimes I get nervous meeting new friends
Why do you feel this way?
because I'm afraid they won't like me.
Oh, thanks for sharing. Sometimes I feel that way too. Anyone else?
Sometimes I feel like my schoolwork is too much and I can't do it all.
Yeah, sometimes schoolwork can be too hard and it's a lot to handle. Question number 2. Where does your strength come from? Nick?
I think our strength comes from God.
I agree. Jesus is always the answer.
Good answers. Now, what are some things you can do to become stronger followers of Jesus? Lexi.
We can ask God to guide us.
Anyone else?
We can read our Bibles and go to church.
Those are all really good answers. Question 3. How does it make you feel knowing God's awesome power is with you always? Nora?
It makes me feel like I have superpowers.
It makes me feel protected and safe.
Grown-ups, now it's your turn to go over the questions. See you next week.
Bye.